Hi, this is Jacob from Ingenium Golf. In this video I'll show you how to use the new tech maps in Glfr Business. The tech maps are placed under Course Manager Tech Overview in the main menu. When you load the map you get an entire image of your course with every single element mapped on it. You get the greens, the bunkers, the fairways, drainage, all of the tech elements are in here as well. For example, the water boxes are marked as a blue square. When you click an element, you get some more information about it. You can add a name to the element. That would usually be the model number, so it could be Rainbird 2. And you can add a description. The description could be stuff like the serial number and other information about the element. Let's just add serial number here, like that. And click Save to save it to the database. Now everyone can see exactly what kind of water box this water box is. You can also add comments. The comments are used to add timed information to this element. So you fixed it, or you changed it, or you added it, or whatever you did to it. Let's say we fixed the handle of the box. When you click Save, it gets a user and a timestamp so everyone can see when the handle was last fixed. We hope that this new feature gives you a better overview of your course and makes it easier to work with all of the elements on your golf club. And we are really looking forward to your feedback. Have a great day.